Good day to all Supermomshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Supermomshies, today we are going to create a red star flower. So if you are ready, we're going to start now. Supermomshies, these are the main materials that we need. Of course, the glue gun. These are the things we needed, and of course the plastic bottles. All we need here is we need this part only, so we're going to cut it. Alright, so here we go. This is already the bottom part of the plastic bottle. All we need is to cut it and create a petal. So what we will do is to cut like this. Alright, Supermomshies, now we're going to paint this one with red acrylic color. So this is how it looks after it's already dried. Alright, we're going to use the bendable wire. Alright, Supermomshies, this is now our flower bouquet, red star flower. Before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to all subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update.
Until next time, babushi.